guys, it's me here, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you guys are coming back and returning, you know you guys are awesome. This month's Boxycharm just came in the mail, and I just got home from like running errands and stuff. So I wanted to quickly jump on here and do a quick unboxing and my thoughts and stuff about the box. So really quick, here is the little paper that they normally give and the box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty monthly subscription box for $21 plus tax. And they send you like 5 items, you know, full-size items every month. So this month's theme is totally Boxycharm, and you know, I was excited for a few items that they were like sneak peeking. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So the first one is the Becca Hydra Mist Refreshing Powder, right? Refreshing Hydra Mist Satin Fresh Powder. I'm trying to see, because there was 2 different shades. I'm trying to see which one I got, because I'm gonna have to open this. That retails for $39. It's supposed to feel very wet and smooth. I got the lightest shade, which is great because, you know, I am... Ooh, this wasn't even closed all the way. Please tell me it's sealed. Oh, okay, it is. Ooh, that scared me a little bit. I'm not going to open this or touch this because I might give this away. But I heard mixed reviews on this, so... but I'm happy I even got a setting powder because, you know, can never go wrong. The next is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. $42. I have oily skin, so I'm pretty concerned when, you know, I'm putting an oil on my face. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to be glowy or anything, so I did not want to get this in my box. I'm like, you know, whatever. It's $42 there. It's supposed to give you a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what your skin type you have. Okay. I'm gonna try it, don't get me wrong. And if worst case, I give it to my sister. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. Okay. Next is mascara. I heard mixed reviews on this. So, okay, it's another mascara. I mean, mascara is a mascara. I can't talk like a crap today. Mascara is mascara to me, I guess. I use the Better Than Sex mascara. Typically, that's my go-to. So, you know, my sister needed a mascara. There you go. That one retails for $23. Then I did want this, so I'm happy about that. The Pure Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask. I guess it's a peel-off mask with licorice extract, nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and botanicals to brighten skin's appearance without unwanted irritation. Non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy looking glow that lasts. $26. I like masks. I mean, my cat. Oh god. It's supposed to exfoliate too, so I like masks. I'm happy I got this. Between this and the setting powder, I mean, that was what, 26, and the other one was 39. Yeah, I mean, that's still a good deal. The last one I am not too thrilled about because this was not in any of the sneak peeks. I don't use this brand. I'm upset about this. Which is the... My cat is going to take down my... Out! Oh, they're both in here. Both of those little poops. Anyway, which is the Brigio Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisturizing Leave-In Mask. This retails for $16. I don't know. I mean, I don't typically use this brand, so it's like, did I want it? I don't want hair stuff in my thing. That's one of the things I know I have on my profile is I don't want hair stuff. I don't want nail polish. I don't want none of that crap. You know, give me skincare and makeup any day. Fine. Like I'll take like, you know, hair stuff like the blow dryer and the Beauty Lux. I was happy about that one time, but you know. So yeah, I feel like I got gypped in this box because normally lately they've been sending out those little emails where you can kind of pick either or, you know, whatever. And then I didn't get a sneak peek before it even came. it just was like, you know, whatever. So yeah, this box is to me this month. I'm not too thrilled about it. I really am not. So yeah, am I gonna try the oil? Yes. I don't know what this will probably sit in my drawer with all my other hair sample stuff that I got. But yeah, so that's this box. I'm not going to open up anything. I'm not going to try anything today. My face is already done. I just got home, but I just wanted to jump on here and do this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked this video, and if you want me to do any more unboxings, and leave a comment down below if you have a Boxycharm subscription box, and what was your favorite items about this month's box. And if you haven't already, sting that subscribe button and join my happy little family. Become part of the little beehive, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.